In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic image compression in Microsoft Word. This can be a lifesaver if you want to ensure that the images you include in your documents remain at the highest quality possible. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation, a detailed report, or any document where image quality is crucial, you'll want to follow these simple steps. First, we need to open Microsoft Word. This is where our journey begins. Once you have Word open on your computer, take your cursor and navigate to the File menu. It's typically located at the top left corner of the program window, and it acts as your gateway to various options and settings that Word offers. Click on File, and this will reveal a sidebar filled with options. In this sidebar, you'll want to locate Options. Clicking on Options will open a new dialog box titled Word Options. Here is where we can really dig into the settings and customize Word's behavior to suit our needs. Within the Word Options dialog, you'll need to select Advanced. It's on this tab that you'll be able to adjust more technical settings, including those related to image handling. Scroll down through the array of advanced settings until you reach the section labeled Image Size and Quality. This section is key because it's where you can control how Word treats images in your documents. At the top of this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. This lets you choose whether you want to apply changes to the document you're currently working on, or if you prefer, to all new documents that you'll create in the future. Selecting the current document makes the change immediate for just that one file, while choosing all new documents means any future documents will benefit from uncompressed images right from the start. Just below the drop-down, there's a crucial checkbox labeled Do Not Compress Images in File. By ticking this checkbox, you're instructing Word not to automatically compress images in your document, preserving their original quality. For those looking to get the best out of their images, another optional setting awaits just below. It's called the Default Resolution. Here, you can choose High Fidelity or the highest available setting. Doing so ensures that when you insert images, Word maintains their full resolution, which is especially important for detailed graphics or professional projects. Once you've made all desired selections, go ahead and click OK to save your changes. From this point forward, Word will respect your settings, and any images inserted into your specified documents will retain their original quality without unwanted compression. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the image compression settings in Word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep these tips in mind for your future projects.